Guys, we are at Desh Kendra Vidyalaya now. Guys, we are now at Desh Kendra Vidyalaya Latur, and here an innovative teacher, Sri Natkare SS, has organized English teaching aids workshop, and very beautiful and marvelous teaching aids are prepared by the students of 8th standard by taking inspiration from their teacher Sri Natkare SS. Now we are having with us the innovative teacher Sri Natkare sir will know little more about the exhibition and the concept from where he had taken. We'll discuss with him about the workshop of English teaching aids, and we will laterally talk with few other students who have prepared their projects for the purpose of exhibition. Now we are having with us the founder and innovative teacher from Desh Kendra School, Sri Natkare sir. Sir, we would like to know about the concept that you have brought into existence. We want to know little about the workshop. Please, sir.
Thank you, sir. I am very glad to tell you that our students have many creative minds, and we have given them a stage for their creative minds through English teaching learning material exhibition. And I am also very glad to tell you that within 4-5 days our students have done such type of wonderful job, and we know that actually all this teaching learning material is textbook based, and that's why and we also find many innovative projects in this exhibition, and this is the concept or the idea behind this exhibition.
Who have supported you to organize this exhibition? Whether the school provided any kind of funds to conduct the exhibition, or whether the students made expenditure for preparing the instruments?
Actually, there is no need for the school to raise such type of fund. Our students are ready, and it is a part of their project. We know that there is a project, at least one project for each and every student for 8th standard, and students had done themselves for this project. And on this occasion, I would like to congratulate to all my students for their such type of innovative projects.
Sir, you are providing a nice stage to the student by organizing such innovative projects, and we are giving best of luck for your projects, and we would like to know about the future plans, that what kind of programs you are going to conduct in the future timings.
Yeah, sir. This is only a pilot project that we have arranged this exhibition only for a class. Actually, we have 12 classes for each and every standard, and these are the students of 8th I class. And next year we are planning to arrange such type of language exhibition for all the students. That means all the students of all standards. This is our plan next year.
Nice, sir. You are doing a very worthful job, and you are giving opportunities to innovative minds to enhance the experience of teaching and learning process. Now we will talk with few participants, and we will know something little about the projects that they have done. These are the participated students who have participated by creating lots of teaching aids. We will talk to few students, and we will take information about the projects that they have prepared. Tell me your name.
My name is Shravani Dayanand Mutkanna. Today I am presenting the project of tongue twisters, English tongue twisters.
Okay.
The tongue twisters are the sentences in which the similar pronunciation words are repeated to make a sentence tough to read.
Okay. So, which material you have used to prepare your project?
Some simple materials like cardboard, papers, and
Okay.
sticking tape.
What kind of help you have got from your guiding teacher to prepare the material?
They give me the idea that how can I write this on and how can I decorate these?
Okay. And how do you feel after preparing the project?
I feel very happy.
Okay. Nice one.
There is another project.
Which one?
This is the hanger of English.
Okay.
When we pull this down,
Okay.
the sentences are dropped down.
Okay. Very nice one. Thank you for talking with us. Now, there are several students who have prepared a lot of worthful material, and you can see that how innovative mind these students are having, and they have really taken hardships to prepare the projects. And look how beautiful teaching aids are prepared by the students of class 8th J from Deshkendra Vidyalaya. Extremely sorry, it's I. These are some projects made by the students. These are the educational aids which will be very helpful to all the English teachers as well as new learners of English language. Look at this. Very beautiful projects are made by the students. Each and every student has taken hardship to prepare their material, and each and every one is very enthusiastic to give information, and each and every student is raising the project that she had done. Very nice work is done by the school, and the efforts taken by the teacher, guiding teacher, are appreciating one. And we must provide such innovative minds with facilities. Thanks a lot to the school management, the teachers, and all the participating students who have done such a marvelous things. Really nice work is done by the students. Here we are having another student who wanted to express her thoughts regarding the project and the exhibition. She is there with us. Where is she? Okay. First of all, give us your introduction. What is your name?
My name is Sharvari Vivek Dongre.
Okay. So, what kind of project you have prepared, Sharvari?
I have made a file of Baby Sindhu.
Okay. Is there text lesson based on this text in the textbook?
Yes.
Okay. So, what kind of project it is? Can you explain it to us?
Yes. This is the information about Baby Sindhu and her photos, her prizes, her
Okay.
international win, honors received, her
Okay.
great strength, her full name, her date of birth, etc.
Okay. How much time it has taken to prepare the project?
Only 1 hour.
Only 1 hour. Okay. Whether it pleased you to do project, or whether it was boring experience?
No, it was really interesting.
It was really interesting. Thank you very much for talking with us. Have a great time. What is this?
Introduction to parts of speech.
Okay. Which material you have used to prepare your project?
Simple material, cardboard, drawing sheet paper, colors, and
Okay.
thread.
Okay. Nice one. Can you explain it in detail?
Yes. Parts of speech is the body of English. Every word in English have some importance in parts of speech. Yes.
Okay. Now, look at this very beautiful and innovative project done by the school as well as the guiding teacher. Now we are having with us ex-head Department of English, and now we are having present Department of Head English Department, Deshkendra Vidyalaya Latur. And he is also observer of this project. Now with him our English teacher, senior English teacher Mr. Mahajan sir is there. He is going to judge the exhibition, and we are going to distribute the prize to the winner. So sir, would like to know little more about the project that you are going to examine. Sir, what will you say about the project?
Science, just like science exhibition, maths exhibition, to improve the language, here English exhibition is important to us, and we can motivate our learners through this exhibition. So definitely it works, it ignites our students' mind.
Thank you very much, sir. Have a great one.